Okay, so moving on to questions 18 and 19. So this question says, write a quadratic function in intercept form whose graph has the following x-intercepts and passes through the given point. Okay, so if you want more practice with these particular kinds of problems, you can look at page 313. Okay, so this kind of equation in intercept form is going to have this form. And P and Q are these x-intercepts. And the order doesn't matter for that. For the point, the order matters. So you're just going to plug in x and y into the equation here. And this is all still just like the quadratic form. Sorry, the vertex form. It's all in an effort to find A. Okay, so let's plug in what we have to find A for question 18. Okay, so we have -4 equals A times x goes in as -3 minus p. P is negative, so minus a negative gives us positive, plus 4. X is -3 once again, minus q. Q is positive 1, so we get -1. Okay, and then you do need to combine within the parentheses, so this will give us -4 equals A times 1 times -4. So we get -4 equals -4A. So A is 1. Then we're just plugging that in along with P and Q into our final equation. So we get y equals, and you don't need to reproduce the 1. You can. I mean, I don't think Mr. McBreen's going to mark it wrong. X minus P, remember the original equation is minus, so if you have a negative, it becomes positive. And 1 is positive, so this is our answer. Okay, moving on to number 19. It's the same problem, just different numbers. Okay, so let's label everything again. So the points is x, y. The y-intercepts are p and q. And then we're just plugging everything in to figure out what a is. Okay, so -6 equals a times x goes in as -4 minus p gives us +3. -4 minus q gives us +2. And then we combine within the parentheses. So we get -6 equals 2a. We're trying to get a alone, so we divide by 2 on both sides. So a is -3, and then we just plug that in along with p and q into our equation. So we get y equals -3 times x minus p. This part, just remember your original values of p and q. So, whoops. Okay, so minus p is going to give us +3. X minus q is going to give us +2. So this is our final answer.